Hi guys, I'm Richa and this is Tarini. Today we have with us here Professor Kathy Lali, who will be sharing with us her views about ESET. So let's begin with it.
You have met so many students in your day-to-day life. So do you think that they are ready to pursue entrepreneurship?
I have seen lots of enthusiasm in students about joining entrepreneurship activities. So I am very much positive about it that if given the opportunity, they are ready to do it.
Do you think it is too early? They don't have any job experience out in the field. So even as students, should they try entrepreneurship?
If they are not starting up with a huge thing today, it's our duty to make them ready to do that. So I think this is the correct time to start it up.
Okay. And how have you seen the entrepreneurial environment develop in our college over the years?
Oh, it's developed like awesomely. It has developed. There are so many activities which ECEL is doing presently. So that is overall, increasing the self-esteem of students, bringing up the confidence of handling things on their own, and that is what is the basic requirement of entrepreneurship. So I feel it's growing.
As a faculty member, would you advise your students to take up entrepreneurship even though you know how risky it is? And for a startup, for a person who's just starting up immediately after college without any experience,
Yes, I would feel that we should always encourage students for it, and before that, if they are taking some experience in terms of internship or something, that will always help. That's what I feel. Because if encouragement is not provided, they all will rush towards taking up the jobs, and they will not be that easily take up the entrepreneurship. So I think motivation is required definitely.
There is so much amount of risk involved and most of them are definitely bound to fail. So is it worthwhile to take up startup as a faculty? What do you
I
think?
see there are many industries which college is supporting, like bowling and all, right? So that way college is providing good support to the students who are willing to start their own industry. So in that sense, I feel it's better to start that entrepreneurship thing right in the platform of college. Then after you pass out and then you start independently, that is more risky than what these guys are doing.
And which was the most noteworthy activity you've seen in our ECEL we have organized, which you
I
think
think the best activity was MasterChef. Somewhere was a big hit, and everyone enjoyed, and a lot of teamwork was seen in that activity. So I feel that is another aspect of entrepreneurship. Teamwork should be good. You can't work alone and take everything alone on your shoulder. Opportunities and responsibility should be shared.
Ma'am, have you ever thought of starting up your own company?
Yeah, many times, but as you know, when I was a student, I don't think I got such good opportunities to, there was no such opportunities, no internship, nothing was provided to us. So even though I was thinking of that, I couldn't start well. I think you guys have got very good opportunities to do that.
And ma'am, we see like many students, even if there isn't an ECEL, they still start up because we have so many startups which are old now and like things like Flipkart,
take them help from it.
exactly. So how does having an ECEL in our college, really help the students, really help the startups in growing up? Like what difference does it make? We have startups which have started up from college without the help of ECEL, and then we have an ECEL working towards them. So what difference does an ECEL create towards it?
In terms of that, I feel that ECEL is providing more support to their activities officially, and there are so many talks happening and many other activities which are helping in a other way to students, to enhance their abilities. Many workshops are going on, so that is the way they are getting the opportunity to express this.
A lot of
Practical experience.
Lot of guidance.
They are getting, lot of guidance they are getting. They are coming across many people
from our college?
I think some kids like to start. So we all are waiting for it.
Yeah, definitely. I think that is a thing even all the students are waiting for.
Yeah.
Yeah, new standard of our college. Would you suggest any improvements for ourselves?
We have seen ESET growing very nicely, and that's what I'm hoping that in coming years also it will continue doing that. I think every cell takes its own time to set up. So ESET is going on the correct path, that's what I feel.
Any specific area that you would like us to improve or that you think that we should have?
I feel that there are all startups who are non-technical. As in, there is no individual product developed out of eCell which we can put it in the market as an entrepreneur. So I am really hoping that thing should start happening. That there is a group of students who are developing their own product and selling it in the market.
Concluding words of wisdom.
Exactly.
It's going nicely as such. I wish them all good luck, and it will come out like anything in coming years. That's what I'm hoping. Because just now we have started with internship and all, so that way students will get definitely benefit of it. And one day they will surely come out with some technical product which they are ready to put in the market.
Thank you so much, ma'am.